Hey there, want to create professional side-by-side layouts in WordPress without the headache? Today we are mastering the media and text blog in WordPress. Here you can see we have a call to action feature section. Here another side-by-side image and text section. Here another one, and here is another one. It is the perfect way to balance images or videos with text for a clean, engaging look. Let's dive in to start. Okay, just type / media and text. Just select it. From here you can upload the image or choose from the media library. I am going for this option. Choose the image. Make sure to include the alt text with the image. Okay, here just hit the heading or the paragraph and write something like this. Select this. I'm just going to increase the text length. Okay, don't worry, we will make it full width. Right, let's add the heading above. Just type the process, select the heading and add the heading, and after the content type the / select the button, add the text of the button. Alright, now let's make it full width. I am not going to make it full width. I am going to make it wider width. So this space will look nice on our feature section. Now if we want, we can check it out on our mobile by enabling this option, which is stack on mobile. Make sure this should be on, so that you can see it will look awesome on mobile devices too. Let's check it out. Mobile, there you can see our content in the section. All of our blogs are stacked on each other. Alright, let's go back to our desktop. Now we can stylize our section however we want. Just click the style. We want to add the background color. Let's add something like this. It looks awesome. Let's make it a little bit transparent or a lighter. This, like this. It's good to go. Okay. If you want, you can increase the font size. Small, medium, large, whatever you want, you can choose from here. This one is fine. Okay. Also you can add the margin and padding. There you can see I am adding the padding, and from above I am also add. As you see, I have added the padding. Also for the image, you can select the image and select the pro image to fill and choose the focal point of your image from where you want to show the image. I would like to show this angle. Okay, now again go to the style, and you can also add the border to your section and make it color whatever you want. Okay, and if you want, you can make the radius. As you can see, I am going to remove this color. As you can see, it's too bad, and also making the border 0. Alright, Now our section is ready, as you can see. Now you can go from this add button, click on it and search for the media and text. Here you can see you have ready to use patterns that we had recently shown, like this one. Just drag it on your site and here you go. You can see we have that section over here and this one also. We can customize both of them as we like. Okay, and this one for the third section, just drag it underneath. There you go. That's all for today. Okay, let's save the drop and view it. As you can see, we have created WordPress media and text blocks with patterns and custom blocks. Here is our call to action. Here is side-by-side image with text, and here is another image with side-by-side text. Okay, so that's all for today. See you in the next one. Bye bye.